did you come to Islam? And then I will welcome her.
I had a childhood best friend. She's from Palestine, and the way that her family carried themselves, I would go to their house and see one of, like, who I call an auntie, praying, and my Teta Najah always was so kind to me, no matter my faith now, then, whenever, and that inspired me.
Your conduct, what changes people. Subhanallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is his messenger. Takbir. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides us to Islam, now you are a newborn baby. Doesn't matter what happened before, at all. You worship this, you worship that, you said this, you said that. Islam will remove everything before. So you're literally better than almost everybody in this world. Literally Allah guided her. And when she was telling me her story, I always remember, Yahdi man yasha. Guide whom He wills. Now, the road is beautiful, but the road also needs work. As anything else in life, the most important thing, what you just said, which is the company. See what I said? That's the company. Just surround yourself with the good Muslims, and you're, alhamdulillah, it's okay, alhamdulillah. And you are not too far from here, so the masjid will adopt you. Don't worry, there's a lot of food here. Believe me, a lot of food. Like spicy food, right? If you like spicy food, there's no issue. And then the most important thing, alhamdulillah, the blessed month of Ramadan is coming, which is exactly in a month, right? So make sure here, some of you, all of you, you know what? Make sure she can come, at least to Taraweeh, if it's an issue of driving, if an issue of whatever. And then if you need Quran, understanding, you can always reach out to me. I'll give you my email, I'll give you my number anytime. May Allah make it easy for you and me. But I am honestly jealous, and I really mean it, because you are way better than me in the sight of Allah at this moment. You're pure, clean, like a baby was born. Already? Welcome.